Anong gusto mo? Presence or presents? I would rather pursue His presence than pursue His presents. Thank God for His presence. Thank God for His gifts. Thank God for His blessings. Pero kahit meron ng lahat ng to, gawin mang 6-digit ni Lord ang bank account ko. Pero ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, hindi yung dami ng zero sa bank account ko, kundi yung presensya ng Panginoon sa aking buhay. The presence of God is bigger than the presence. Ang lupa pwedeng manakaw. Ang city pwedeng bumagsak. Ang business pwedeng mawala. Ang promotion pwedeng agawin. You can lose your social media follower. You can lose that monetization feature in your social media account. You can lose that influence. You can lose that money. Kaya kapag yung mga bagay na yan, success, promotion, nangangako sa inyo, gawin mo to at magkakaroon ka ng magandang future. Mapopromote ka, magkakaroon ka ng magandang future. Maraming pera, may magandang future. Pero kung wala ang presence ng Lord, scam yan.